Hi, it's Debby Kaminsky, the founder of Newark Yoga Movement, and I know we're all going through really unprecedented territory here. Very different than 9/11. We don't have any end in sight, and it also can be a great cause for a lot of anxiety and panic. And so the best thing to do in this situation is to do what you can to stay calm so that when situations arise, just like we teach in yoga, yoga really teaches us to be able to respond in any kind of life situation. And this happens to be one of the more extreme ones. The great news is that there is more testing that has just been approved so that if anybody feels that they need to get the test for COVID-19, it's going to become more available. In the meantime, there's a great little mantra for anxiety that works really well, and we use it with people who have panic attacks and suffer from anxiety all the time in our classes, people who are dealing with PTSD. It's very simple. So start with your first fingers and thumbs and press it together, and then second fingers and thumbs, third fingers and thumbs, pinky fingers and thumbs, and let them rest on your lap, palms facing up. Sitting up nice and tall, take a deep breath in through your nose and a deep breath out through your nose. Which, by the way, you can just do that 5 to 6 times in a row really slowly to try to turn on your parasympathetic nervous system, helping to reduce your cortisol levels and get yourself out of fight, flight, and freeze and all the potential anxiety you might have. But also moving back to this mudra. So the first finger and thumb touch and we say the word sa, second finger and thumb ta, third finger and thumb na, pinky finger and thumb ma, sa, ta, na, ma. And what this is doing by using your voice and also touching your fingers is we're working both sides of our brain. Satanama means something very beautiful. Truth is your identity. And right now, it's really important for us to trust ourselves, use our good judgment. So with me, several times, regular voice, sitting up tall again. Take a nice breath in. Nice breath out. And here we go. Sa-ta-na-ma. I invite you to close your eyes as well. Sa-ta-na-ma. 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 Relaxing your shoulders. Sa-ta-na-ma. 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 Whisper. Sa-ta-na-ma. 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 To yourself in silence. Whispering again. Sa-ta-na-ma. 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 Back to a regular voice. Sa-ta-na-ma. 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 Last one. Sa-ta-na-ma. And just let your fingers and your hands rest open on your lap. Taking a nice smooth breath in, again keeping your eyes closed or softly focused. Check in with yourself. Notice if you feel a shift. Chances are you probably do. Slowly inhale, open your eyes. And remember that you can do this several times a day. Inhale your hands together in front of your heart. And let's all together say namaste. Namaste.